Sainik School PYQ from the topic linear equation. So question says we have a person named Baichong. Okay, now let the Baichong's age be x. Let the Baichong's age be x. Now in the question they are saying Baichong's father age is 26. Baichong's father, he is 26 year younger than grandfather. Baichong's grandfather, he is 29 year older than Baichong. So father's age will be I'm just representing father's age by FH and grandfather age by GFH. Clear hai? So father age, as father is 29 years older than Baichong, but before that he is 26 year younger than grandfather. 26 year younger than grandfather. So actual में ये according if I just related with Baichong, Baichong is X years old, so the age of Baichong is X. Then the father's age will be X plus 29 and grandfather's age will be X plus 29 plus 26. Clear hai? Next, we can say it as X plus 55. Now, according to these equations, we can relate them and find the value of X. Equation 2 and equation 1. Through these equations, we will get the X value as 17 years. Clear hai? Now we have to find the ages of father's age and grandfather's age. They will be 46. One will be 46 because you just have to add on X plus 29. So 17 plus 29 will be 46. So this will be the age of father's age. 46 years. And grandfather age will be 46, you can add 46 plus 26, it will be 6, 6, 12, 4, 5, 6, 72. It will be, the grandfather age is 72 years. You just have to make these equations and it is simple. But why we are taking Baichong's age as X? Because we can relate X with father's age and grandfather's age. So we need a particular relation. That's why we have assumed Baichong's age.